Hello, today we will guide you through how to leave a Life360 circle. If you need to remove yourself from a circle in the Life360 app, this process is fairly simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. As you follow along, keep in mind that leaving a circle means you will no longer share your location, driving data, or other circle-related activity with the members of that group. So before you continue, make sure that's the change you want to make. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Wait for the main screen to load fully so you can clearly see the navigation options. If you are a member of more than one circle, it can be helpful to quickly confirm you are working in the correct one before changing any settings. Once the app is open, look to the top left area of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where Life360 stores account preferences and circle-related controls. Take your time here, especially if your screen looks slightly different depending on your device or app version. The option should still be in the upper left section of the app interface. After entering Settings, tap on Circle Management. This section is specifically designed for actions related to the circle you are currently in. Inside Circle Management, you'll find options that let you adjust how you participate in that group. If you pause for a moment earlier to confirm the correct circle, this is where that check becomes especially useful. Next, tap on Leave Circle. This is the option that removes you from the selected Life360 circle. In many cases, apps like this may show a confirmation message before the action is completed, just to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Read any on-screen message carefully so you understand what will change after leaving. Once completed, you will no longer be part of that circle. That means the group will stop receiving your location updates, and you will also lose access to information that's shared within that circle. If your goal is only to stop notifications or change visibility temporarily, you may want to review other settings later. But if you are sure you want to leave, this is the correct option to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to leave a Life360 circle.